attached to me, but you are allowed to interact, and I am willing to communicate. That being said, let's start. Alrighty, if there's any ghost out there, the way it's set up is I got my green light on the side of the green and my red light on the side of the red light there. All you have to do is go close to one of those lights and set them off on the back of that train, and it'll let you know. Red is right there. It's my red, and over there is my green light. So you can correspond yes and no. From red is no, green is yes. That is the way we're looking at it. Welcome, viewers. Looks like we got about 9 people joining in. The way I got it set up is I'm at a historical train station in Hillsborough County. I don't know if this has any ghosts or if it's even haunted. I do know it's super old. And this is a ghost hunt because I don't know. As I was saying earlier, I got my green light set up right there for yes. My red light set up over there for no. I'm going to get up and move around to show you that I can't set them off real quick. What is actually in the background is an old caboose. Looks like a caboose. So yeah, it's a different location. Never been here. Not sure if it's gonna have anything. Mommy Deers, hi, how you doing? Mommy Deers, that's a great name. I like that. I got it set up. I think because of the bright lights, the motion lights here, they're gonna have to be almost right on top of them to set them off. If you could see the way I walked over there. I've already went through the thing, but I'll say it one more time. Hey, hello, Just Jan. Nice to see you. I was watching that awesome live stream from Epic Eric with the 500,000 likes. That is groovy. Happy birthday, Epic Eric. Wish you the best, bud. It's good to see that. Good times. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start this off. Any spirits here are welcome to communicate with us and talk to us. You're not allowed to attach yourself to any of my devices. You're not allowed to attach yourself to me, but you are allowed to interact with my devices and talk to me. There will be no touching me. You can touch the devices. Yeah, I bet. Yeah, that's awesome. That school looked super creepy. Just Janice. All right, how many spirits are here with me tonight? Anybody willing to talk? Like I said, spirits, just so you know, my green light is, let me look at it, right there. That's yes. My red light is no. Coincides with these lights, so you know which side is which. Heard 6. We got 6. Nice. All right, 6 spirits. Can a spirit please tell me your name? I actually want to walk y'all around and show you. Anybody want to look around real quick and see what this place looks like? It's pretty cool how old it is. Smash the like button if you want me to walk around for a minute. It could be kind of cool if y'all want to see that. All right, Mommy Dearest wants to see. We'll do this. All right. I'll take necrophonics for just just because I can. All right, let me turn this way. All right, so behind me is an old pitcher pump. I'm set up on my little table here with my old man chair. This right here was the loading station right behind me. And directly behind that is actually the train tracks. You can see the old, you can almost see the old filling station. You see that little tower? That's an old filling station that they would use to put water into the steam trains way back in the day. On this side, like I said, we got the Caboose, Seaboard, railroad systems. Actually, my dad just turned like probably 72, and he worked for Seaboard my whole life. So it turned into CSX when I was younger, and this is this. So not sure if this place is haunted yet, but it's super old. I ain't gonna lie, it's really old. Here's some of the stuff that you can see. Pretty neat. Am I losing the signal or something? No, signal's good. I don't know what the dream was. But this is like the information center. It's got a lot of old stuff in it. I would love to be able to get in here and actually I'm gonna have to talk to somebody in the council. This place is super uptight, this area. They're heavily Christian area here, so I don't know how well they'll take to somebody doing a paranormal research over this way. But yeah. So we got the little tiny engine there. Really crazy. That looks like a Thomas the Train car. My son would love that. And this is pretty much what it looks like when you're walking into it. This is what the whole station looks like. Kind of a downtown area, so if you hear some outside talking, it could be actually living people talking. There's like a little bar directly behind me where I'm set up. So I hope that wasn't too crazy boring. I don't know if y'all heard anything good on necrophonics while I was doing it, but pretty cool little area. So the old it's an old train station. Getting back to my setup real quick. Could try to. I actually walked back there. They got the tracks. There was actually a train that just went by when I was setting up. It was quite wild, actually. All right, put this back in place. Make sure I can see my lights. All right, we're back in biz. All right, so TikTok's giving me some problems with my downloading my recordings. So I've been using GhostTube SLS just to record things so I can actually go back and review any evidence that I might get. So that's that's going on there if you hear the bleeping noise. Your truck is haunted. That's cool. All right, let me start asking some questions here. Spirits. Does anybody have a name that they want to tell us? That's a question I haven't asked. All right. Jed. Oh, Jed, that's a really old train sounding name. Sorry about that light. I wonder if I can angle this to get, there you go, that's a little better. The glare of the light ain't quite as bad, that way you can still see my lights. Alright, so Jed, are you willing to interact with us and talk to us, or even possibly set off any of my motion lights? It's going to take an awful lot of energy to set off the motion lights with how bright it is. Seeing that I can see them, I might try to drop them down. Give them a little more dark, a little more out of the light there. Let me set that up real quick. It's cool, it was my best friend. Cool. It was like Christine. That's creepy. Haunted car. That's different. You're thinking the same thing. Nice. All right, let me see if I can drop down those lights, if it makes any difference. Real quick. Can't really find anything darker, so we'll just have to make do. Hey, it came back on all by itself. The green one just did. Who interacted with my light just now? Can you tell me who it was? You can hit green for yes, red for no. Can you tell me who that was? Are you able to talk to me? Ask for names. All right, I'll do that again. Spirits, can you give me any of your names? Any spirits that are willing to talk to me, can you give me a name? Sorry about that. I forgot about that stupid light that's beside me. Yeah, they're motion censored lights, so they should shut off just Justin. Huh, I hear talking. That's probably just people in the main area. I am actually in Hillsborough County at a historical train station site. Not sure if the place is haunted. I just saw this and thought it would be quite interesting to go and do a ghost hunt here. Thank you for 3K likes already. That's awesome. Thank you, everybody. She said stop lying. Okay, I missed some of the earlier talks about that. Sorry about that. You heard Jed? Yeah, I heard Jed too. Jed, if you're with us, can you turn on one of my lights or let us know? Can you say something to us or turn on a light? Thank you for that rose, Nat. Thank you very much. How many spirits are here? How many spirits are here with us now? That almost sounds like several. That one said peace. I really wanted to come back and try again with my lights just to see. My son was super nervous the other night and kept moving around on me quite a bit. When we were at the graveyard, he was sitting right next to me, and I know what happened at the graveyard was 100% something other than him bouncing around. What kind of machine is that? Okay, so this right here is the train. It's a Caboose. The noises are coming from Necrophonics. It's a tablet. It emulates a spirit box. Spirits, can you tell me what you did? What did you do when you were alive? I have my recorder. I can do some EVPs. I'll check out an EVP in just a minute. How accurate is your machine? It's actually one of the more highly recommended apps by the paranormal community. So most people say it's probably the most accurate app out there. Liar. The spirits don't seem to think so, though. But yes, that's what I've been told, and I noticed most paranormal researchers in the community do use necrophonics when they use apps. And with the comment about the apps aren't too reliable, that's possible. I mean, I'm not here to say one way or another, but what I will say is these motion lights, if they can communicate by setting off the colors, red for no, green for yes, I would say that's pretty darn reliable, because they don't set off. My movement right now hasn't set them off yet. So it's got to be something close if they do go off tonight. Watch this window. Watch this window. I have a feeling that if there is a ghost, it'll be sitting in that window. That's why I set up here. I'm not a psychic. I'm not a medium. It's just one of those gut feelings that I have that possibly if there is a spirit here, he's attached to one of these trains. Spirits, can you please give me another name? We've had a Jed. Is there any other spirits other than Jed? Nope. Try harder, please. Ask if someone is sitting at the window. Hey, we'll do that. That's a pretty good question. Is there any spirit sitting at this window? It just gave me a creepy feeling when I came up here. That's the only reason why I'm saying what I'm saying. Did any spirits make me feel that way when I walked up? Is there any spirit sitting in this window? Somebody heard a yes already? A couple of people heard yes. The spirit that's sitting in the window, what is your name? It's just my EVP in my hand. I could go over there and ask it, go stand by the window and ask it what its name is with the EVP. Do one simple question at a time instead of several. See how that goes. I've been working on my EVP skills, trying to get back to the old school ways. Bottom left. Nice. Hello. Hello, spirit. What is your name? Okay, so these two lights, this red one and this green one, they're just they're actually submergible. They're watertight lights that are I got them like from like a 5 Below or something. They're just little lights to help interact with feed injury. They're actually remote controlled, so I put the remote away so that way I didn't mess with them. This is the remote. This is what controls them, the little red light. So I don't mess with that too much. I don't really ask for a lot of interaction between these two lights because they're probably not as easily manipulated by ghost spirits as the motion sensor lights. All right, I'm gonna go over there and do an EVP by the window and ask the spirit if he has a name, since they said yes. Him, he or she. As old as this location is, I'm guessing most of the railroad workers were probably male, because we're going way, way back in years on this thing. We're talking about like steam engines for some time. So hang on a second. Let me go there and ask. Welcome anybody that's new. Thank you for everything. Thank you for that, Rose. Thank you very much for all the gifts. Also, Love Tart. Appreciate that. Hang on, let me go ask this question real quick. Henry. I swear to God, a whisper just said Henry. I can try to rewind it real quick. Hang on. I wish I brought an external speaker right now. Listen really close. You hear a whisper that says Henry. Right then. Did you hear it? Henry. Henry. Okay, so when I was looking at the window, I was looking in the window. There's a seat right there in that window. I didn't even know that. That's a pretty good. That's my first EVP since I was like 15, I guess. That's wild. It goes a little longer. It says something else too. I'm gonna have to listen to that closer when I got a little more quiet. So the spirit in the window's name is Henry. Henry, are you able to interact with my lights or show yourself to us? Are you able to show us who you are or what you look like, or interact with my lights? Yes, I heard it. Awesome. Awesome. That's the first EVP I've had in forever. First one I've tried to do that was successful in forever, so that was awesome. A lot of fun. I gotta mark that one. Alrighty, so we'll go with the next question. Henry, are you able to show yourself in the window? Thank you, love. Appreciate that. Thank you for that TikTok. That's awesome. Do another one? You know, I could walk up there with the tablet and let y'all see inside the window with me if you want. Smash the like button. Let me know if you want me to do that. I'll take y'all if I start seeing it streaming like crazy. I'm gonna have to leave the necrophonics behind though, because I don't want to corrupt the EVPs. All right, well, it's about the same amount. I think it'll be cool either way, so we'll try it. I might lose connection. I'm just gonna carry only the tablet. Let's see how good this is. I'm gonna have my back turned to this window, so this is gonna be a little creepy for me. I'm gonna turn my back to it. Thank you very much. So this is what it looks like outside. You can really see the Alright, so let's ask you what his job was. Henry, what did you do here? What was your job? It said something. It said "get out." I think. Hang on, guys. That was wicked. It was another whisper like "get out" or something. Listen closely.
The spirit is in the window. Can you please give me your name?
Right there. You hear it? God, I don't know what it's saying. It almost sounds like "get out." We'll try one more time. I'll listen to it closer to my ear.
The spirit is in the window. Can you please give me your name?
Hello, Nebraska. How you doing, buddy? Welcome to my stream. I'm at an old train station, historical site. Oh shit! It said we are with you. There's a girl's voice that said we are with you.
The spirit is in the window.
Daggone it! Shut up.
Can you please give me your name?
Yeah. I got stinking thing going still. Stop. Hang on, sorry about that. Really? Stop making noises. Alright, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. My hand where the speaker is, I'm putting it on the tablet where the Necrophonics is at.
The spirit is in the window. Can you please give me your name?
Yeah, I heard a woman's voice too. Hello, Indiana. There it is. It said Henry again. I heard it. Okay, so I might be listening to the first recording that I did. That is crazy. I'm gonna have to really review this close. Hey, thank you for the sunglasses, man. That was awesome. Totally cool. The EVPs are on and popping tonight. I got to get to where I can really listen to them. Maybe put a loudspeaker with it next time. I have a whole bunch of external speakers. I just didn't think about bringing one because I haven't had a lot of luck until just now. Thank you for that gift. I appreciate that very much. Oh, that stopped on channel 2 or 20. It was channel 2, I think. My scanner got a hit. It was a woman whispering. Yeah, I heard a woman whispering too. I keep hearing the girls ask, you see me? Yeah, that's. I plan on getting. I'm sorry, I'm blocking that light. I plan on getting like a motion censored kid toy because I don't want to play with ghosts. I don't want to invite that, but they can play with a toy. I don't have a problem with that. Awesome, we're having a good one. Spirits, the spirit in the window, can you please show yourself? Henry, are you able to show yourself? You can also interact. I don't have a REM pod yet, Jen, but I plan to get one. That's going to be one of the more pricey items that I'll be investing in soon. We'll do that, Raven. That's a good question. Toodles, hey, spirit. That sounded like a little girl saying hey just then. The woman spirit's voice. What is your name? Can you tell me your name? I actually have the SLS camera recording because TikTok has been, it's been failing. I can't download my lives after they're done. So I'm recording with SLS GhostTube right now. No. Did it just say Linda? Yes, hello, Jen. Ghost, I think it's Ghost Creepy. I think that's who you're saying hi to. Oh, thank you for the lights. String of lights, nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. I hear some drunk people coming out of the bar, so if you hear that talking in the background, that's the bar probably letting out now. Jan, I'm sorry, it's Jan, the ghost groupie. Hey, how you doing? Welcome. I am using the Necrophonics app. You heard drums? That could be music from the bar if you're hearing drums. I didn't realize there was a bar here when I first pulled by it. Thank you. You know, if it did say demon, I've been doing some more research on that. I think demons aren't as common as we get in the messaging. I think a lot of times there's spirits that are not nice. So to intimidate you, I think the not nice spirits will say they're demons. But I'm not terribly over concerned about it saying demon too much. Okay, so Jen, I'm actually in Hillsborough County, Florida, close to the Tampa area. Thank you for all the likes, y'all. That's awesome. All right, Henry, are you able to interact with my motion lights? Can you set off the motion light? This one over here is red. This one over here is green. Red for no, green for yes. If you move close to it, you should be able to set them off. Are you able to move close and set off any lights? Man, I don't know if it's eyes playing tricks on me, but I see something right here. It could just be the stupid light that's glaring on me, but let's see what it says real quick. Hey, you heard turn off the light. All right, let me turn off the green lights real quick. We'll entertain that for a minute. All right, both those lights are off. I'm putting down the remote. The only thing in my hand is my recorder, digital recorder. Oh man, happy birthday to whoever we missed. That said Brian. Yeah, it is bright. Like I said, this is a historic site, so in fact we're on camera. They have a camera looking at us right there. Just heard a woman say Ella, what do you do here? Ella, why are you with us? This is still around an active train location. There's tracks directly behind me. So it's not these trains that are set up here that are honking, but it's behind me, or actually behind the tablet. There's some trains active back there. That one just said damn. Yeah, I didn't realize how active these trains were at this location. We got one crossing the road right now. I can see the tracks going down. EVP? Yeah, I could do another one. What do you want me to ask it? Runkosaurus, it looks like. You got a good question for the EVP? I'll go ask it right now. Sorry about it, guys. Can't stop the trains. Yeah, that'd be nice. Thank you. Thank you, Mommy Dearest. That'd be awesome. All right, let me go ask a question. I'm going to ask Ella, what did she do? I'm going to walk to the other side. You can't really see that. Let's see if you can see the other side. The other side kind of got too much glare. I'll go back to where I'm at. Looks like y'all can see me go up there. All right. I'm going to head up there and ask it, what did she do? Ella, what did she do here? Ask them to say a complete word or sentence. Okay. Well, if I ask them what they did, they might be able to put it into a sentence. So I'll do that real quick. This is literally how close I am. I apologize, I didn't realize it was that close. I can imagine that's unsettling. I don't know if it's the noise, but I got chills from my head down to my butt. I got chills all up and down my spine when I walked over there. It's possible the trains are really like bothering the spirits, I don't know, but as soon as I walked over there, chills all down me. Crazy.